Hi guys, Janmashtami is around the corner and every year on Janmashtami I incorporate different colors and decoration. So this year I thought why not I decorate my puja thali with some home available ingredient without just adding any jazz to it and giving it a different look. So I've got this steel puja thali which I'll be using. So here we are going to take craft paper. You can see here this is in some orange, yellow or you can say green color. So both we'll be using to decorate our thali. So first I have taken the yellow color craft paper and I just got this cut in circle. So this fits to my thali and I'm just gonna stick this off with Fevicol so that it doesn't move. If you want to avoid this step, you can do that. However, when you stick it off, it will just stick to one place. Yeah, so I'm just gonna stick it off. So for this step guys, you don't have to buy any extra ingredient. Everything would be available in your kitchen. So this I've got the paper, the green one, and a pen. So what we'll do, we need one, from there we need one strip and we just wanted a long strip so that we'll make a design. So I'll just cut it off long, like so, which I'm showing you. So I wanted some crease over here so that we can give a, you can say, frill kind of a design. So to get the frill, that's how I do. I just tuck that in. I just start frilling it off and tucking this in so that it gives me that frill effect, and you can just attach this on your thali all around the corners like so. So I've got these three strips so that all over it will fit to my thali. So let's start organizing this. So we need to attach it with the circle craft paper we got, and I'm just pin it off. So when you are pinning it in, just ensure that it is inside pin so that outer covering will not show it off, the pin would not show it off, and you can just wrap it off with the outing what you have of craft paper. So we'll just give it a circle around and we'll ensure that it covers all the edges and it is all intact. So this is how I've got the circle completed and it shows like a frill. So you don't want any kind of a ribbon to do so. Now what we'll do to fill it off or give it a design, we are going to take some pulses, different kind of a pulses, and we'll have to stick that in. So you don't even need a flower to do to decorate all this or any frills or any decorative item. So with this only it will look very like homely and also beautiful. So I'm just trying to put it off all the Fevicol on entire sheet, and then just we'll spread the pulses. Okay, so I've got this green moong and I'm just spreading it over the Fevicol so that it sticks well. We are going to make it as a circle. All the pulses or whatever we will be decorating, we'll make a circle so that it completes the thali rukh. So now next I am just putting the Fevicol on and putting sabudana over it. This sabudana would give it little bit like a pearl effect. Reason why I have just taken this also. So this would be my second layer inward. Yeah, here comes the third layer inside. I'm gonna take 2 dal and just spread it off to give it one more circle. Now the last layer, I'm just putting some more Fevicol. In the last layer, I'm going to add some urad dal and also some rice. Rice, I'm gonna use it in the center because we say that whatever the diya we will be putting it off, the light candle or anything you'll be putting it off, down that if you have rice, then it's really good and auspicious. Okay, so now we need diya batti thread and we are going to give it a effect of flower. So this flower we are going to stick it with the help of Fevicol to the frills which we made on the outer edges of the thali with green craft paper. Just put some Fevicol over it on the thread fev. Yeah, and just stick it here. Take another one, same round flower shape, and just take some Fevicol and just gonna stick it over there. So this flower would come only around that, only around the green frills, and you can see this how I've got this all around the edges, all the flowers, not in between or anywhere else. Just setting the rice in between for diya. So this I've got elephant shaped diya. If you want, you can use candle or any those diyas, those regular diyas, those metal diyas, whatsoever you want. So I've just taken this and some flower candles to lighten it up. Isn't it beautiful, guys? This is the finished look, and can you believe this is done only with homemade ingredient? You don't even need flour or any decorative item. So I just give a trial on all this every year, and this is how I prepared today. Wasn't that simple, guys? You can also give it a try. This is very easy and all the ingredients would be available. You can try this on any festival or Janmashtami itself, and I'm sure this kind of a decoration would definitely give an X factor to all the decoration what you do. And I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.